In this video, I'll show you how to install the campaign outfit selector mod in 007 First Light step by step. Campaigns outfit selector. This mod lets you select the outfit in starting of the game. Download this mod. Once download done, select the folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location and drop these two folders inside the game folder. Select replace the file in the destination. Once this done, start the game. Once you are in game, go to post menu and go to outfits. You can able to choose the outfit and select F to equip and press escape key. We can able to change the outfit in game easily. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.